started? Okay, then let's get started. Hello everyone! I hope you are in a good condition right now, and welcome to the new session of YouTube channel EASA. This is English session of EASA. Yeah, exactly with me, Honey. Today we are going to discuss about the most of 5 idioms that we can use to sound like an idiot. Yes, first of all, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you want to sound like an idiot? I'm sure most of you will answer yes. Then, it is a good way if you watch this video, because I will tell you 5 idioms to increase your speaking skill. Okay, go ahead. Let's jump to the first example. First one is shake a leg. This kind of idiom is used to tell someone to hurry or quickly to start doing something. I will give you an example. Oh my god, it was late, Johnny! Come on, shake a leg! Yeah, this is. Second one is stay in touch. This meaning of idiom is to continue contact with someone else, even though they are in a distance. For example, to avoid texting, I promise I will stay in touch with you by WhatsApp or Skype. And the third one is make your mind. Its meaning is to make a decision. And I will give you an example. Johnny, why didn't you say something? Can you make your mind? Yeah. The next one is grab a bite. The meaning of this idiom is to get something to eat. And I will give you an example. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. Would you like ramen or kimbap? The last one is blood, sweat, and tears. I'm sure that most of you is common to hear this idiom. Yeah, because this kind of idiom is the title of BTS songs, right? Okay. Go ahead to the meaning. This kind of idiom have the meaning of a lot of effort and suffering. The example is they get a lot of achievements without blood, sweat, and tears. Okay, this time brought up. I think enough for today's English session of EASA. Then, I hope you all can increase your speaking skill after watching this video. And then, if you have any advice, please write down in comment box. Okay? Then, thank you for today and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Then, thank you for everyone who are able to watch this video. Thank you once again and bye-bye.